Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your luminance noise in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, I'm on the main page here. You can do all sort of things here, but we're just gonna focus on one thing today. Let's click on the blue button at the top called Photo Editor. Here we have to choose a photo from a camera roll. I'm gonna choose this one. At the bottom, there are multiple buttons here. You just click on adjustments, details, and here you have this reduce, and here you can adjust it as much as you would like. You can really make it smooth or leave it as it is. It's up to you. You can play with it as much as you would like. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next